So today we are going to unbox a different product altogether, which is Licious, a meat brand in India which has foundation of food safety and system certification 22000. This is the only meat brand in the country who has got this certification, which goes through very stringent audit in the meat products. Okay, so you can rely on this brand. Looks by the packaging, if you see, this justifies the words delicious because the packaging itself looks yummy and delicious. So you can go ahead and see many of the specification here. Okay, this has completely no chemical in this product. Okay, and this has many sort of quality audit which it goes through. Okay, and these are the specification which is mentioned in the box. Apart from that, this also has a social media presence, which means that you can also connect them on Twitter, Facebook, and YouTube. Let's say, for example, if you have any complaints, views, suggestions, okay, you can raise them on social media platform. Now let's quickly unbox them and see what's inside the package. Today we have ordered a fish, which is a freshwater fish called katla, okay, which is quite famous in eastern part of India, especially among the Bengali community, and the eastern part of India consumes a lot of freshwater fish. So here we have fish head. Okay, packaging is completely airtight and they have maintained a hygiene. Okay, so we can see from the packaging that there is completely freshness which is maintained in this packaging. Let's cut this open and see what's inside the packaging and how's the quality of the meat. So we are going to pour this out and see. We get two heads. So remember this, whenever you place this order, it is mentioned only one pieces. Okay, but there one piece means you will get two head. Okay, means one head would be there, then that would be cut half into two pieces. So remember this always. Okay, I thought that we would be getting only one piece, so I ordered two heads and now we are ended up with four heads. So four, two halves, four pieces. So no worry. Okay, since the fish is completely fresh, we are only going to finish it, and definitely it looks yummy and delicious. Once we finish cooking and once the preparation is over, we will see how best it is. Okay, now this is the major second half portion of the fish. Okay, which comes with the different variety of katla. Okay, which has a tummy part, and this is somewhere around 500 grams. Okay, so this much is the portion which you get it in 500 grams. So let's also cut this open, and also remember this is completely chemical free. This has no chemicals in it. Okay, and I have consumed it after the preparation. Even in the taste we can easily make out it is chemical free. This has more meatier and tender pieces, and it goes through more than 50 checks. So you can vouch on their quality. Once you consume it, you will say that. And these are never frozen, never frozen. The temperature is always controlled between 100 to 400, 100 to 4 degrees Celsius, and this is never frozen fish, as I already said. And the kind of fish quality which you get, you don't have even a single wastage over here. Okay, so you will not get any additional fills which will create a wastage over here. So you can place an order. I would keep the link on the description along with the referral code and along with the discount coupon. Next time, if you don't want to go out and save yourself from pandemic, place an order online and taste it once. Thank you for watching this video, and you